Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market the last 24 hours, there's been a lot of profit taking as pretty much 90% of the tokens are in red. If we talk about Dogecoin, it is down 2%, but it's still holding very close to 16 cents, while the trading volume has plummeted quite significantly, falling under 800 million. But there are some catalysts which are about to push this up much higher. First of all, this tweet from Elon Musk from start of 2023 has been very popular and started trending on Twitter again. Ripple CEO lambastes Dogecoin, and at the same time Japanese exchange loses over $300 million in Bitcoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people see this, the best side of Dogecoin. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, right now social engagement is going to be super important. First of all, I want to show you guys the price action. Right now the price action is very clear. First of all, the first resistance that we will be facing will be close to 20 cents, and the resistance that we are facing right now is close to 17 cents. If we talk about the support, the first or the massive support we have been practicing from the last nearly 2 months is close to 15 cents, and if we fall short to that, it's going to be next to 13 cents. So you guys can see these lines have been very important for the past, let's say, 2 months, since mid-April. Now you guys can see we have broken below that one time, but we were able to recover it, and we stayed in a consolidation phase, and that's exactly where we are sitting right now. Now, do I think that we're still in an uptrend? I personally do think so, but it's really important that we are able to break above this trend line as quickly as possible. If we do not stay above this trend line, then it will be very hard to predict what will happen in the future. But if we are able to retest this trend line and get above it, there is so much potential for the Dogecoin market to keep climbing. Especially if we're able to just break above the 20-cent mark, we will be able to see a lot of momentum up as more and more people FOMO in. At the same time, if you pay attention to the RSI line, it's sitting pretty much dead in the middle. What does this mean? Well, there is a lot of potential for it to go up very quickly, as a lot more money can flow in a very short period of time. Also, some news that will be affecting Dogecoin market and the crypto market in general are these, which is the biggest one being just the job opening. If it does not stick to the forecast, that can have a huge impact. Now, this tweet from Elon Musk from the start of 2023, Elon Musk is sitting next to Fox News owner at Super Bowl. What are they talking about? Wrong answers only. And Elon, the official account, responded by saying Dogecoin. Why is this now trending? Because more and more people are slowly starting to talk more about what is happening with Dogecoin. There is more people trying to figure out how Dogecoin is going to be able to make a recovery, and where will Elon Musk have a say in this. And as that is happening, more and more people had trying to figure out what has Elon done in the past 1 to 2 years, would suggest that he is still supporting Dogecoin, and this is one of the tweets which actually caught a lot of people's attention. Now, Ripple CEO is not very happy with Dogecoin, because if you guys do not know, from past couple of days, about 7 days, everyone's talking about how Ripple and Dogecoin are about to fight to see who can take the slot 7. So the CEO said, I don't think Dogecoin has been a good thing for the industry, and I'm not an anti-Dogecoin, but it's I don't know what is the use case is. Now, he has not mentioned anything relating to Dogecoin for quite a long time, and he does not care about it. Now, the only reason Dogecoin is becoming so important to these people is because it's about to take over the token that he is CEO of. Other than Elon Musk as the central actor, I don't see a use case and a purpose. Well, there is a lot of purpose. First of all, the transaction fee is quite low. At the same time, you need to understand that there is so many things which are being built on Dogecoin these days, and it's obviously also a lot of the community that is supporting it. Now, Japanese exchange loses over $300 million in Bitcoin. Will this surge the global crypto regulation? Now, as I mentioned recently, the regulations in the crypto is slowly starting to get much stricter. That's probably the right word to use. As you guys can see, currently the hacker has transferred 4,500 Bitcoin to 10 addresses, and these addresses are still holding on to it, and people are trying to get their money back. At the same time, talking about the regulations, it's really important that you guys understand the open interest has fallen under 800 million, but the liquidations, that's where all the magic is happening right now. You can see that the longs have lost $2 million just in the last 24 hours. I do want to mention 13 billion Dogecoin was bought at the Dogecoin's critical support, and the support that they're talking about is close to 16 cents. The reason people are buying so much is they're trying to just break above this resistance, so there is more and more space for it to go explosive. Now, a Hong Kong crypto crackdown. 11 exchanges get a node, but big names skip out. Now, this is what I mean by the regulations. Hong Kong will license 11 crypto exchanges, including Crypto.com and Bullish. The deadline for the exchanges to be licensed or deemed to be licensed is 1st of June. Major players like Binance, COINBASE did not apply for this license. So these regulations are becoming a problem. And with that, you guys know Trump, getting convicted has caused a lot of people to be a little bit fearful, as sparks a wild fluctuation in meme coin market, key sites that you should be paying attention to for the actual crypto. So you guys know Trump has been found guilty for 34 charges. Is this crazy that it's happening just before election? But this has had a huge influence on the crypto market, because you guys know Trump is a very strong supporter of crypto. And Trump also, if you pay attention, favorite meme coin Doge hits its new time high with the patient investing that is happening in. A patient investor has made a significant profit of 15 million in the token, which is obviously Trump. Now, this is really interesting, because you guys need to understand, this is giving you an idea that if Trump decides to become the next president of America, it's going to be having a positive impact on the crypto market. At the same time, Dogecoin faces a declining demand, the price slump. Now, this is a very broad statement, because it's not declining demand, it's more towards the fact that there is more things happening in the crypto market, and Dogecoin is just trying to able to hold its price. Also, Tether buys 100 million stake in Bitcoin miner BitDeer, has option of another 50 million, which is just an insane amount of money. Another thing is Bybit exits Hong Kong due to increasing regulatory pressures. So the regulations are getting stricter. This is causing a little bit more uncertainty in the crypto market, and people are trying to keep their money safe. That should just give you a little bit of perspective why crypto from the last 1.5 months has been just in a consolidation phase. It's not crashing or it's not going up. So this is a good understanding why it's actually hard to make a decision for a lot of investors. But if you ask me, this is probably a good time to accumulate the best token that you personally like. And for me, that is going to be Dogecoin. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.